Hi, this is Prasad. I'm in the final semester, which is master's project. My project name is Predictive Healthcare Analytics using Machine Learning Language. Now I'm going to talk about Sprint 2. Firstly, I introduce my client. She is Tina Arora. Supervisor is Hari Krishna Menta. We are group of four. Muhammad Alim, he is a team leader. Salma Sheikh, she leads the entire project. She is the team leader. Then Rafael is a team member. It's me. Then it's me, Prasad Jujuru. Uh, when I talk about agenda, there are four components. Firstly, design and implementation, research analysis, improvements, finally questionnaires. When I start with the design and implementation, there are four categories. One is YY diagram, use case diagram, fishbone diagram, SWOT analysis, questionnaire and questionnaires. There are two types of questionnaires. One is a qualitative questionnaire, then it's quantitative questionnaires. It's the YY diagram. This is the use case diagram. There are complete details in the diagram, which shows the causes and effects of the patients, and its information. Its results of patients. This is the research analysis and improvements. We as a group we worked on research analysis and improvements. When it comes to these, firstly, as a team we did the research on the questionnaire using the qualitative and quantitative analysis. Secondly, we made the changes to our diagrams as client requested the changes. Each one of does the did the three diagrams: use case diagram, YY diagram, and fishbone diagram. We totally have done 16 diagrams, and we showed it to the our client and supervisor. They accept the diagrams, and then we draw the three diagrams as per the lecture information as well. We got so much to learn from the supervisor, where we got the information about the assessment with the weekly activities. So we completely process the supervisor's work. It gives us a lot of information by activities. These are our questionnaires, and personally, everyone does the five questionnaire types. Each one five questionnaires, and in total, it's about 20 questionnaires. 20 questionnaires. The a lot of question items like why yes or no questions, agree disagree questions. This is the questionnaire data. We created the link to collect the data from the different people, and we share that link. And we also got the to in total 100 responses. Each one did 25 responses. 25 responses as their responsibility. It's also this slide also comes with the questionnaires. It's also questionnaire slide. These are all. These are 20 questionnaires we have done as a team. It's the evidence of work. These is the questionnaire data process, which we need to show the work to the workshop in the workshop or to the lecture. It also show the individual work, which comes with the team, each name. When we see the details, their weekly activities, and our work, from our work guidance from the supervisor. We enter all the details weekly. We updated the weekly work to the client and supervisor and lecturer. These are my references. I want to conclude with the The sprint 2, when it comes to the sprint 2, I personally worked 52 hours. 52 hours. It gives me a lot of information, and we as a team we followed all the guidance from the team supervisor and the client, as per the client requirement, and Hare Krishna Sir's guidance. We are good enough from now for now. Thank you.